Imagine the body as a sprawling network of highways with intricate routes and complex turns. Each road has specific highways, road signs, and traffic lights leading to a crucial destination, much like the organ systems in our body. The digestive system breaks down food, delivers nutrients, and excretes waste. The liver detoxifies harmful chemicals. The respiratory system delivers oxygen and removes carbon dioxide. The brain controls all function of the body. The kidney filter and eliminate waste, and the heart pumps blood to every cell. When these pathways are clear, we feel great and the traffic runs smooth. But when we add processed food, high-sugar diet, chemical-filled body care products to our routine, it adds roadblocks in our body. As these toxins build, our organ systems begin to fail, and they can't perform essential functions, resulting in disease. These backup of toxins in your body are now relabeled as fibromyalgia, IBS, diabetes, or even cancer.